Good morning, all of you. I am Manish Sharma, Professor of SIT Pharmacy. Today's our lecture, metabolism of drug, how to metabolite of drug in our body. Biotransformation is called as the metabolism and chemical alteration of the drug in our body and conversion of a non-polar lipid soluble compound into polar compound, lipid insoluble compound. As a drug, it is lipophilic in nature and then metabolite convert into hydrophilic in nature, then excretion. Biotransmission is a chemical alteration of drug in the body. Non-polar lipid soluble compound are made polar lipid insoluble compound so that they are easily excrete out. And drug which do not undergo biotransformation, example streptomycin, neostigmine, and it is a highly polar drug. And the side of biotransformation and side of metabolism, the primary side of metabolism is liver. It is a larger gland of our body. Other kidney, intestine, lungs, plasma, it is responsible for metabolism of drug. This is a lungs, this is livers, and this is intestine, and it is a whole body for which is used for which is play a role in our metabolism of drug. It's lungs, liver, intestine, etc. Consequence, drug inactivation, inactivate or less active propranolol, phenobarbital, morphine, chloramphenicol, paracetamol, ibuprofen, lignogen, and active drug to active metabolite. An active metabolite effect is due to parent drug and its active metabolite. And phenacetin, paracetamol, phenyl, butazone, oxybutazone, primidone, phenobarbital, diazepam, desmethyl diazepam, digitoxin, digoxin, imipramine, desmipramine, amitriptyline, nortriptyline. It is active metabolite. Procainamide and acetyl procainamide, codeine, it's morphine, and inactive drug. Inactive drug, it is a prodrug. Inactive drug, inactive form is converted into active form. That is called prodrug. Active drug, prodrug are inactive drug which need to be BT in body to form active metabolite. Levodopa, dopamine, enalapril, enalaprilate, alpha methyl dopa, alpha methyl norepinephrine, etc. The type of biotransformation reaction, it is include two type of reaction, phase 1 reaction and phase 2 reaction. Phase 1 reaction is known as non-synthetic reaction, functionalization reaction, and phase 2 reaction is known as a conjugation reaction. In a phase 1 reaction include oxidation, reduction, and hydrolysis. The second phase 2 reaction is include conjugation stage is acetylation, methylation, sulfonation, glycine conjugation, glutathione conjugation, etc. It is a phase 1 reaction. It is described as oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation is the addition of oxygen, and other word we can say negative charge of radical and removal of hydrogen and positively charged radical. And oxidation is the main process of metabolism. They produce unstable intermediate, epoxide, superoxide, quinones. The oxidation in 9 steps include an example of oxidation at nitrogen atom. It is a amine. It is converted into, it is metabolism of amine. Example, dapsone, pyridine. Oxidation at sulfur position, this is our sulfur, and oxidation when oxygen react with sulfur and oxidize into other form. And aliphatic hydroxylation at hydroxy group added to drug. What is hydroxylation? Hydroxyl group added to drug. Example, salicylic acid to xanthic acid, ibuprofen, tolbenamide, etc. Then aromatic hydroxylation at it is example is phenytoin, phenobarbital, propranolol, and It is a de-alkylation at oxygen atom. Alkylation, it is a alkyl group. Any alkyl group is removed at the position of oxygen, and it is for and form alcohol, phenacetin to paracetamol. Decyclation at nitrogen atom. During this process, decyclation of compound at nitrogen atom. De-alkylation at sulfur position. During this condition, de-alkylation of at sulfur position and oxidative deamination. Deamination, it's a removal of amine group. Example, amphetamine. Desulfuration, removal of sulfur by oxygen. Sulfur is replaced by oxygen. Main enzyme are the oxygen is a which is oxygenase is used and play a role in in metabolism. Microsomal monooxygenase in a liver and cytochrome P450 CYP drug. CYP 450 is required to NADPH and oxygen drug metabolism enzyme. Two type, microsomal and non-microsomal. Microsomal include CYP 450 UDPGT, and non-microsomal is flavoprotein, oxidase, esterase, and non-microsomal oxidation. The mitochondrial enzyme amino oxidase is oxidative deamination of ethylene and 5-HT, 5-hydroxytryptamine, and cytoplasmic enzyme is dehydrogenase, alcoholic oxidation to acetyl aldehyde to and acetic acid. The plasma oxidative enzyme is histaminase and xanthine oxidase. Hydrolysis. Reaction, the drug is split combined with water, the ester plus water, ester is alcohol and acid, and microsomal hydrolysis is pathogen to convert into pyridinic acid, and non-microsomal hydrolysis, esterase, amidase, and peptidase atropine into tropic acid. The cyclization is the formation of structure and ring structure from the straight chain compound. Example, proguanyl. Proguanyl is an example of cyclization metabolism. During this condition, during metabolism, formation of ring structure from a straight chain compound. Decyclization, ring structure open if any compound are available in a ring structure and closed structure. Then decyclization, it means a ring structure open, phenytoin, and barbiturate, etc. Then phase 2 reaction, it is are also called conjugation reaction, transfer reaction. The drug come out from first stage to second stage. Then drug phase 1 metabolized combined with endogenous substance derived from carbohydrate, protein, and covalent bond formation between functional group of the drug and endogenous substrate. Then endogenous glucuronic acid and amino acid sulfates, acetate and glutathione, etc. And conjugation with glucuronic acid, the UDP gluconide transferase and conjugate with hydroxy group and carboxylic group are conjugated with glucuronic acid and derived from the glucose drug plus UDPGA and microsomal glucuronyl transferase glucuronide plus UDP. Example of drug: aspirin, paracetamol, PABA, metronidazole, morphine, diazepam, etc. Acetylation, the drug with amino and hydrazine group and INH, isoniazide, PAS, pyramidosalicylic acid, hydralazine, sulfonamide, procanamide, dapsone, etc. During this condition, amino group is transferred in a amide group and genetic polymorphism, acetylation. Conjugation with sulfate, drugs, group of amino and hydroxyl group and cytoplasmic enzymes, the sulfotransferase, sulfokinase. During this condition, maximum work on and removal of sulfur group. Example, methyl dopa, steroids, chloramphenicol, warfarin. The conjugation with glycine, drug group carboxylic acid and salicylic acid, benzoic acid. Conjugation with glutathione, drug group is it's epoxide, quinone, and toxic metabolite of it is the paracetamol and ethocyanonic acid, the cytoplasmic enzyme, and glutathione esterase transferase. And methylation reaction of methane, the drug with amino and phenol group and histamine, adrenaline, nicotinic acid, dopamine, methyl dopa, captopril, enzyme methyl transferase, and endogenous substance like the cysteine, methionine, etc. And ribonucleoside and ribonucleoside synthesis. It is include related with synthesis of purine and metabolism of purine, action of purine and pyrimidine antimetabolite, 6-mercaptopurine, etc. And thanks from SRD Pharmacy.